ULA has rolled out its Atlas V rocket in its most powerful configuration ahead of the first Atlas launch of the year. We had the chance to speak with the Director of Launch Operations for ULA about the operations ahead of the mission, as well as the transition to their upcoming Vulcan rocket. It's been 10 months since we've seen this site.
The team's feeling really good. We're pretty excited.
An Atlas V emerging from United Launch Alliance's vertical integration facility at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, making its way down the railroad tracks towards the launch pad for a new mission.
It's been a while since we launched an Atlas V, so the team's really excited and ready to go for this one.
ULA's Director and General Manager of Launch Operations, Ron Fortson, helped oversee the operations of the roll to the pad in the humid morning hours of August 25th.
The mission requirements for this one, we needed the most powerful one to get it to where it needs to go. And so essentially this is our most powerful vehicle. We have various configurations. This one has the most solids we can put on it, which is 5, and it has a 5-meter fanger as well.
Fully fueled, this version of the Atlas V comes in at 1.3 million pounds at liftoff.
And it's over 2.3 million pounds of thrust when it lifts off, so it's a beast.
ULA has flown this configuration of the Atlas V 12 times before. Its first mission was back on January 19, 2006, when it launched NASA's New Horizons spacecraft, a probe from NASA's New Frontiers program, with the initial primary mission of performing a flyby of the Pluto system. Fast forward to today, mission number 13 is much more shrouded in secrecy. It will be launching a mission for the National Reconnaissance Office dubbed NROL 107, aka Silentbarker. The NRO historically doesn't disclose much information about its missions, but did state that this is a joint mission between it and the U.S. Department of Defense Domain Awareness Mission to, quote, meet Department of Defense and intelligence community space protection needs. Fortson himself spent the late 90s working at the NRO and says that this mission carries just a bit more meaning for him.
It's always very satisfying because, so as you said, since I used to work in that organization, I know what capabilities that are being delivered and what they're going to do for our nation. So to be a part of that and really to help enable those capabilities for the warfighter and the nation, it really just makes me feel really proud to be part of it.
As ULA's teams move the Atlas rocket into position for launch, they're also ticking down the number of times this will happen. The company is only flying 19 more of these rockets before transferring entirely to its Vulcan rocket.
Atlas is going to fly out, but we also have a very bright future with Vulcan ahead. And there's a lot in Vulcan that's taken on a lot of the heritage from Atlas. So a lot of things and improvements that we've made on Atlas are going to be incorporated into Vulcan. So the team is really excited about seeing that legacy really kind of transition from the Atlas V vehicle into the Vulcan vehicle. Launch of the NROL 107 mission is set for no earlier than August 29th at 8:34 a.m., 12:34 UTC. Reporting at the Cape for Spaceflight Now, I'm Will Robinson Smith.